Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you reset your Lexus key fob. Often, issues are simply due to a low battery, so checking it is the first step. If it's weak, replace it with a fresh CR2032 lithium coin battery. You'll typically need a small flathead screwdriver to carefully open the fob casing and swap out the old battery for the new one, ensuring correct polarity for proper function. Now let's prepare your vehicle for programming. Begin by making sure all your car doors are completely closed and unlocked. Next, open only the driver's side door and keep it open throughout this step. With the driver's door open, insert your key into the ignition cylinder, but do not turn it, then immediately pull it out. Repeat this action one more time, inserting and removing the key twice in total. To enter programming mode, continue the sequence. Close the driver's door, then open it. Repeat this. Close the door, then open it a second time. Now, insert the key into the ignition one more time, but do not turn it, and then remove it. Immediately after, close the driver's door and open it again, repeating this action for a second time. The power door lock should cycle once, confirming entry into programming mode. With the vehicle in programming mode, take your key fob. Press both the lock and unlock buttons on the remote simultaneously for about 1.5 seconds, then release them. Immediately after, press and hold only the lock button for approximately 2 seconds. The door lock should cycle once, indicating successful programming. Finally, open the driver's door to exit the programming sequence and test your key fob's functions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.